Then I'll give you some more. Some more Descada. Yeah. Here's some more Descada. Descada is Pipsqueak's favorite ice cream. He loves Descada. Mommy.
What, sweetie?
This doesn't fit in here.
Nope.
Yes, it does. It doesn't fit in here. Look.
Just put it on the table.
This fits, but do you want to see this? See, that fits in there. This fits in here better. I took this. This is Descada. I know you love Descada. I'm going to give you some more Descada. Here's some more Descada. Pipsqueak loves Descada. Here's some Descada.